Out here with our Drascombe Lugger, the 1980 ONKAHYE, and I've been working on this alignment of this motor. Couldn't get it up to the top stop to keep the prop clear of the water. We were having to throw a line on it to keep it up because when it was mounted, it was interfering with the transom back there. So we did is came in and we put a little shim at the top, a little double shim top, a little single shim at the bottom that tilted the whole motor this way just a little bit so that we can raise it and have it clear that transom. While we're at it, we went ahead and cut a little pad to put under these locking feet here, so it's not, it'll chew up the pad instead of our transom. Threw a little line on here so vibration, either motoring or riding down the road, these tabs don't unlock themselves. It's just a little screw. Now we can pull it up and catch that last lock right there. And it clears the transom. Then when you want to, because you've got to raise it just a little bit to release the latch and then let it go. And just for grins, I put a couple little pieces of tape here. Another little piece of tape on the bottom. So if we get overzealous and bring it up, I'm not gonna scratch the gel coat. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's pretty cool when you can do things on a boat one-handed. One hand for the tiller. So there it is. 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE. Got the motor rigged now where we can get everything clear of the water.